Hey guys, welcome to part 4 of the Revit batch sheet maker. Alright, let's get started. Hey guys, one of my videos got corrupted, so I have to come back and re-record. But don't worry, it'll be really quick and painless. Okay, it's gonna be we're gonna do the LoadTitleBlocks.cs class. So we're gonna copy that name right, and then we're gonna come over here. Don't worry about the rest of these, right? You'll get to them in the next couple of videos. All right, come over here, hit add, new item. And then you're going to be making a class, and you're going to name that class this. Great. Okay, we're going to come in like this, and then we're going to class load title blocks. So we're going to create a method, right? So it's going to be public void load family, and then in here we're just going to do external command data, and then just going to call it command data, and then import the Revit UI, and then from there we're going to go back to our command.cs and we're going to copy in the basic stuff that we need to run, which is going to be this stuff. All right, and then below that we're going to set our directory. Well, first, sorry, we're going to import document. Our DB. Okay. And we're going to set the path to our family for loading, right? And this is going to be the title block folder path, right? To load families. Right, and this you can also find a tutorial on this in one of my other videos for just loading multiple families at once, right? File info. File is equal to oops. First, we got to set the path. So it's going to be directory info multipath is equal to new directory info. And then here you're going to place your path for whatever it is, right? So bring that in, system.io. And then that I place in my command right here. Right. Okay, back, and then it goes right there. Great, and then close it off with a semicolon, and then come back down. All right, we're gonna do file info array files is equal to multipath dot get files, and it's gonna be looking for anything that has a star.rfa on it. All right, that's gonna grab files. Okay, and then we're gonna set a family to null. And then it's just going to be family is equal to null. And then we need to create a for loop to load families. All right. That's going to be for each type file info, file in files. And we're going to do doc.loadFamily, and it's going to be multipath plus file.name and then out family. All right, and that's pretty much it. All right, we'll go back to the command.cs and keep on going. Also, no note. Okay, so when you start to separate out your methods and stuff like this, it's pretty great because then you can just copy and paste, copy these classes into your other files so that you can use them there and not have to constantly always write them out, right? It's a lot easier too when you need to modulate, your tasks so that they're always running and it's just more like of a plug and play thing instead of always having to figure it out, right? So, all right, let's go back to the rest of it. Hi guys, so we need to now create a TitleBlock chooser form, right? So since that's going to be a form, right, we're just going to come over here, add item, right, and then it's going to be a Windows form, right? And then we're going to name it to be TitleBlock chooser form. Super creative, I know. And hit add, right? And now we're here. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. And going to, all right, so if you don't have a palette coming up over here showing like all of your like labels and text boxes and stuff like that, just go to search and then type in toolbox, and everything will come up. There it is. Okay. All right. Cool. So now we've done it right. So we're going to do a group box. All right, and then there. Okay. It's a little bigger. All right, and then and just stick them right there. There we go. Okay. And now we have that, right? So let's throw on a label. All right. And then we're going to do a combo list box. And this is basically a drop down. All right. This is going to say, please choose a title box. Please choose a title block. Okay, and then we're going to name this one combo list box as title block. And lastly, we're going to add in continue and cancel buttons. All right, and then copy and paste. So I'm just going to say team as a name, and then come up here and for the text team. All right, and then cancel. Obviously something similar, right? So text inside, just cancel, and then button 2. That's this one. Okay, great. All right, guys. Now we're gonna set up the code. So let's roll on over. So we're gonna utilize the continue and cancel buttons. Definitely. Let's go in here. First, coming to the top, we are going to. Let's go to the form, and we'll do cancel. Okay, good. So now we have those two set up. Okay, so over here. Okay, so we're gonna set up private UI location. and that one capital A. And then, yep, I'm going to bring your UI and private UI document, UI doc, and private Autodesk.Revit.application services. Application, that's just going to be app, and private document doc. Right. Oops. Okay. Then let's bring in DB. Okay, cool. All right, and then we're going to set, and then up here we're going to use system.windows.forms.form. Okay. And now we're going to do private string myval and public string val. This one's going to be capitalized L. Okay. Then we're going to do, come in here, this guy. Okay, and now it's going to take external data, or external command data, and then this is going to be command data as normally. Okay. Just component, yep, and then oh birdie. I'll deal with these in a second. The UI app is equal to command data. That's all. Okay. So this way. Good. Command data. Application. Doc. Go to app dot active document is equal to app application, and doc is equal to doc dot document. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we're gonna set public delegate void. This helps us with the combo box. So the combo box is going to pull in data from command forms, or sorry, command.cs, and then pull in data from the model, right? So we're going to do public delegate void. It's going to be del pass data and system dot windows dot forms dot combo box text. Okay. Cool. And all right, then we're doing private void form1 load object sender comma event args e, and you're putting a filter element collector types, right? And then we're gonna do filtered element collector called TitleBlocks. New filtered element collector doc, and then of category, built-in category dot OST title blocks. And then lastly, cool title blocks dot where element is element type. Okay. All right, and then below that, just do a for each, and then we're gonna load them in. So it's just a for each element x in cool title blocks and combo box one title block list dot items dot add x dot name. Okay. Great. And that allows you to have them to choose from. And then on the continue and cancel button, let's see. All right, so this one we're gonna do myval is equal to combo one title block dot text, and then button one on continue dot dialog result is equal to dialog result dot OK. And then finally, just so we know it comes out, we're going to do debug print line. Or debug that right line. And then here, click OK button was clicked. And here we're going to import the debug. Do some diagnostics. And then we're going to do close. And finally return. Okay. And then the cancel button is pretty easy. Oh, whoops, sorry. This one's going up here. Button continue. Cancel button finally is button to cancel dot dialog result is equal to dialog result dot cancel, and debug that right line. Cancel the button was clicked. And then finally close and then return. Alright. That's it for him. We can go back to command.ces. Hey guys, part 4 is getting kind of long, so go ahead and proceed on to part 5 to get the rest. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, see you guys there.